Wonderful good morning, guys, and welcome back to another Soul Drives video, and welcome back to the beautiful Black Forest with this Lotus Exige 420 final edition in a absolutely amazing spec. Beautiful green, matches the forest perfectly. We got 420 horsepower, only 1,100 kilograms, the open shifter. It's just super lightweight, it's super hardcore, and I'm super excited to now take this out on one of my most favorite roads and just see what Lotus is all about, because I've heard so much about these cars, but I've actually never driven it myself. I've now just recorded the intro sequence for this video and the sound was already absolutely insane. I can't imagine that this is actually an engine out of a Toyota. We're looking at a V6 3.5 liter supercharged engine. It revs super quickly. Just overall extremely excited to now drive this car, to feel it, and that's exactly what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna hop into the car, I'm gonna strap up the camera and the microphones and hopefully give you the maximum sound and most cinematic experience about this car, and let's just get going, get in the car and get started. Turn in and out the corner. Okay, this is really like just driving a go-kart. Holy shit. And blipping the throttle on the downshifts is really easy, I have to say. You kind of have to get used to for the first few downshifts, and then it works very well. This is like the essence of driving, you know. This is exactly what you want. The sound, it's so loud. These brutal shifts, the shifter, it just feels so raw, so unfiltered, and you can really feel the road. The car's super small, super lightweight. You feel every bump on the road. This is really good fun. This is really, really good fun. this is so much cooler than I expected it to be. So much more than a Boxster Cayman. So much more intense than any other car that I've ever driven before. This is, I can't even talk. When you concentrate on driving this car, you really don't have time to talk. Downshifts sound absolutely insane, and then just